Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your hard drive isn't responding or is making odd noises, it could be a sign of failure. This can happen due to various reasons, such as mechanical wear or power surges. If left unrepaired, you risk losing important data and may encounter further complications with your device. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive compatible with your HP Tower, and possibly a Torx screwdriver depending on your model. First, ensure your HP Tower is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the side panel. Carefully slide the panel off to expose the internal components. The hard drive is typically located in a designated bay, connected with cables. Look for the drive that is making the odd noises. It will often be in a bracket. Gently disconnect the power and data cables from the hard drive. Be cautious not to tug on any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the hard drive in place. Once the screws are out, slide the hard drive out of the bay. Take your replacement hard drive and slide it into the bay, ensuring it is properly aligned. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect the power and data cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before closing the case, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose screws or tools left inside. Now, replace the side panel of the tower and secure it with the screws. Plug your device back in and power it on. Listen for the hard drive to spin up and check if the operating system recognizes the new drive. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully completed the replacement. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly back up your data and keep your device in a cool, dust-free environment. Also, consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power spikes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.